Checking credit scores in the CIBC app is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, go to the official webpage of CIBC. Scroll down the page till you see the relevant topic. Here it is, how to check credit score. As you see, CIBC clients can check their credit score by using CIBC free credit score service. Being a CIBC client, you can also contact Canada's credit bureaus to receive a copy of your credit report by mail. For a fee, you can view your credit report online. These are the simple steps by following which you can check credit score in CIBC app. Remember that maintaining a good credit score is important for various financial activities, including borrowing, applying for credit cards, and obtaining loans. Regularly checking your credit report allows you to monitor your financial history and take steps to improve your credit score if necessary.